Hi guys, this is Rachel Stamper. Just got my doTERRA package in the mail. Had to go to UPS and pick it up myself. We had a really bad snowstorm, so they couldn't get up my driveway. I'm gonna open it up and we'll see what we have. Super excited. Been waiting about 2 weeks to get it. It's a purple box. doTERRA. So I got the Natural Solutions Enrollment Kit. I got this kit because I wanted to boost my percentage of points that I get. So I went with this kit and it had pretty much everything that I wanted. And oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Let's see if I can actually get it out of here. Kind of struggling over here. Okay. Throw that over there. So let's see what's inside. Oh, that's a tape. No, okay. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, let's see. So first, we have the doTERRA Essentials book. And this will give me all sorts of really neat blends. Oh, and it even has stickers I can put on top of my blends on my roller balls. Look at that. But yeah, it looks like it has so many different oils in here, and it tells you what they're all good for and the benefits. I'm so excited to go through all of this stuff. They have all their other products in the back of the book. So, ooh, these are my two favorite ones too that I'm excited about. Breathe and Deep Blue. Breathe is for respiratory problems and congestion, and then Deep Blue is for sore muscles, and it's nice and tingly. I'm excited to try those. So, set that there. What is this? It's my diffuser. So I can put my oils in my diffuser. Let's open it up. Okay. Set that there for right now. Ooh. Here's my diffuser. Yay! I'll put some oils in that later tonight. And I'm sure this little box is just like the cord and stuff. I'm assuming. Let's see. Yep, cord. So that way we can plug it in later. I think I'm gonna put this one in the living room. I was told that that's for bigger rooms, so I'm gonna put it in my living room. So there's that. I'm gonna put this stuff over here. What is in the next box? Let's see. My box inside of a box. Here is my oil box. What's in there? I can put all my oils in. So we'll get that ready. It's a nice wooden box. Let's see what's in this one. I feel like it's Christmas. A bunch of oils. So first we have Balance, which is a blend. We'll put that in there. We have Wild Orange. Put that over there. Peppermint. Serenity, which is a blend. Digest Zen, which helps your tummy. I'll put that over here. And we have On Guard. This is how I got hooked on doTERRA. My coworker, she brought On Guard into our office, and our office was full of sick people, so we all were diffusing On Guard and eating the On Guard little tablets that you put in your mouth, the cough drops, everything. On Guard is awesome. Aroma Touch. Frankincense. They say, if in doubt, use frankincense. So I'm really excited to have frankincense. This is Respiratory Blend. Melaleuca, which is tea tree oil. I can kind of smell it already. Lavender, that is my absolute favorite scent ever. So calming. Lemon. And what do we have hiding under here? We have something that fell through and is hiding. Come on, little guy. Past tense, which is a tension blend, and it's a roller ball. So we'll put that little guy there. So that is all for that box. Man, I almost want to keep these little boxes. They're so cute. I think this is just nothing in there. Okay, what is this? This one, I have a feeling it's all. This is my Lifelong Vitality Pack right here. These are some vitamins. It's a 30-day supply of all the vitamins that you need. So I'm gonna start this soon so I can get myself all nice and healthy. Put that there. And then we have Terrazyme and PB Assist. No one I know has actually used Terrazyme, so I'm going to have to do a little research on this and see if it's something that I'm interested in or if it's maybe something I want to gift to someone. And then there's also PB Assist, which one of my friends uses this and she says it's amazing, so I'm definitely going to use this. But you also have to keep this in the refrigerator. If you don't, bad things happen. So just keep it in the refrigerator. What is in here? Ooh, this one's heavy. What is this? Oh. So this is the fun box. We have Deep Blue. I'm really excited about this. This is for sore joints, painful muscles. It kind of gives you like a tingly effect. I'm really excited about that. Can't wait to try it. We have shampoo. And I was actually told by a friend that this is super shimmery and sparkly and it smells really, really good with like oranges. So I'm really excited to try that out. I'm gonna have my daughter try that as well. Same with the conditioner. Some conditioner that goes with it. Here's my daughter. That's Dana. Correct X. I'm really excited to use this on my child. This is for boo-boos, scrapes, cuts.
Which I get at school a lot.
Yep, it's kind of an alternative to Neosporin. Much healthier for you, all natural. Breathe, the Breathe Vapor Stick. I'm so happy I got this. When I went to my first doTERRA get-together to learn about all these things when I got hooked, we got to sample some of the Breathe blend. And it literally cleared out my sinuses in like 2 seconds. And so I'm really excited that I can use this vapor stick and rub it on when I'm feeling like a cold's coming on, I'm getting all stuffed up. And this is the fractionated coconut oil, so I can make even more blends. Yay! Can't wait to start making blends for family members and helping them out with problems that they're having. Dana just asked a good question. What are blends? Blends are pretty much when you blend different single oils together to create one oil that kind of helps you with something that, you know, you're having trouble with, like sleeping. You would blend a couple oils together to help you sleep. And then you mix them with this coconut oil and put them in a roller ball, and that's what we roll on us.
Like this kind of
Yes, just like that. That's a blend in a roller ball.
But like, where is the roller balls? Do you have them?
No, we have to go buy those. That's our next shop. We have foaming hand wash. Yay! And it's on guard to keep us all from getting sick. And then we have 2 pumps to come with it. So this will be in our guest bathroom, our powder room, and in Dana's bathroom.
I want that one.
Okay, that's enough, Dana. And believe it or not, doTERRA has toothpaste. So this is all natural whitening toothpaste, and I was told it tastes like oranges because it's from the On Guard family. It's an On Guard. I can't even think of what the word is. Huh? Okay, that's fine. Dana's going to try this next. We'll tell you guys how it goes. Maybe we'll record her trying the toothpaste. This is awesome. This is sanitizing mist. We use this all the time at work. Anytime someone sick comes near us and starts touching our stuff, we like instantly sanitize ourselves. We don't want to get sick.
Yeah.
These are the soft gels that you can take just to boost your immune system so that when you start feeling sick, or say you've already gotten sick, you can take one of these and it definitely helps you fight it. Yes, okay, that's enough.
Okay.
And my most favorite things, and the very last thing in this big giant box, are the On Guard beadlets. These, it's a tiny little bead. I'm gonna actually take one right now. Oh, I have to open it up. I really love these things. These are the true things that got me hooked. Because of these, I attended my first doTERRA party and absolutely loved them. Don't mind my red stained fingers. I was messing around with some stain and got myself. So they're these little tiny little tiny pebbles, little beads. And you just take it and you put it in your mouth. Kind of roll it around in your mouth. And you put it under your tongue, on top of your tongue. And after a little while, there it goes. After a while it bursts. And all of the great effects of On Guard, they actually start to take effect. And they're pretty strong. It is a very strong orange taste, and it gets you. These also come in peppermint, which I'm going to have on my next order. So in my next video I can show you peppermint. And those are the two that it comes in. And peppermint is for tummy aches, kind of heartburn. It's also if you have bad breath. And so we use them at work a lot when we're like, oh my gosh, we have a meeting to go to and we just ate some garlic pasta. So we just grab one real quick, pop it in our mouth, and it kills any kind of onion garlic scent. So you know it's powerful. It's really, really good. So this is my absolute favorite thing. This is what got me hooked on doTERRA. And now I have all these awesome things. I can't wait to do my next order and start filling up the rest of the holes in my doTERRA oil box. And I'm excited to get my other set of little, the little beadlets in peppermint. I'm so excited for all of those. And yeah, so thank you for joining me and going through my very first kit. I'm really excited to try all of these products, and I will make sure to do some videos so you know how they all go. Thank you.